Today we're going to be covering a few optimizations and efficiencies on an efficient packing terminal and the benefits it can mean to your business. Most people have to sign in using a keyboard, password, username, email address, or some form of PIN. We removed that process. I've got a tag here. I can tap it on my NFC reader. That will sign me straight into my workstation. These tags can be wristbands, they can be tags, or they can be credit cards. So it's a really efficient way of getting signed in. If you don't want to invest in NFC readers, we can also support barcode sign-in as well. So you can issue each of your staff with a unique barcode where they can just scan to sign in. No more incorrectly typed passwords, no more forgotten passwords, and very easy user control. The pack station itself is set up in a way where ideally you have to minimize your movement. Everything should be within reach for your day-to-day needs. In this example here, we have orders arriving on the left-hand side of us. They come across the center of the terminal and are dispatched out to the right. Our packaging materials are all around, directly behind us. Each of the packaging materials will contain either a QR code, barcode, or in some scenarios, the shelf is barcoded where applicable. As an item comes through, a member of staff is able to collect their item in question. They can scan their item, and this will then allow us to locate the order. Once they have the order on the screen, the volumetrics and the weight will automatically be populated into the system. This will allow the system to use logic to create the most appropriate courier and shipping service for the shipment on that day. They can select the packaging they've used, which will adjust the dimensions in prep for dispatch. Once they're all done, they can scan, process, or hit enter on the keyboard, and at that point, the label will appear and they can finish their packaging process. We split the orders by default between single and multi. We color code them in this particular warehouse. We have blue trays for single orders. This means one item is one scan. That is one order. We have black trays, which will come down this roller conveyor here, and all of the items in a black tray is one order. When we actually come to find the orders to dispatch, we're looking up by item. This is our due diligence and our check to verify that the items are correct. The reason we look up by item at dispatch is because during the picking, we don't want you to have to scan every single item. We just want to verify you're in the correct place and you've verified one of the items. So if you need to get 40 out in one day, you want your pickers to be as fast as possible and your belts and braces at the dispatch terminal.